So today we're going to install an all catch can on clutch. But first, man, let's go see what the kids are doing. Let's go see what they're doing. What's going on, man? How you doing today?
Good!
Excellent, 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 excellent. We just want to know, how are you feeling? What are you doing? What are you doing right now?
I'm playing Roblox with Bria.
You playing Roblox? With who?
Bria.
Well, let's go see how Brielle doing, okay? Let's go see what she's up to. Let's go see what Miss Brielle is up to today. That's right. That's right. You didn't think I was coming in with the camera, did you? Look at you. Look at you. This is Brielle on a nice, beautiful Saturday. This is what she does right here. This is what she do. Let's go check out Elijah. Let's go see what Elijah's doing right now. This is what Elijah does on a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. This is what he's doing. That's right. Look at all these books he's reading. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Right now he's reading books. This is him. Let's see what Essie is doing right now. Essie, what are you doing on this beautiful Saturday? Huh? What are you doing? Looking at Mickey Mouse? Looking at Mickey Mouse. Oh my God. Well, let's see what I'm doing. Let's see what I'm doing. Boom! This is what I'm doing, man. This is what I'm doing right now, man. This is what I'm doing. I'm all up in here, you know what I'm saying? I'm up in here with the kids, man, trying to have some fun. Let's go sneak up on Bree. She's doing her hair. Let's go sneak up on her and see what she's doing. Hey, we got Bree right here, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Bree right here. She's doing her thing, man. You know.
I'm gonna get you back!
She ain't ready yet, man. She ain't ready. She's doing her hair, man. She getting her hair done. You know what I'm saying? So, huh?
Somebody coming down the hallway.
What's up, man? What's up, buddy? What you getting? Legos. We got some stuff that came in the mail, some things that need to be put on Orange Crush. And that is what?
Stickers!
No! All catch can, baby. All catch can. That's what we're doing on Orange Crush today. We got some mail. Are you going to help me install the stuff today? Yes, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's exactly what I'm talking about. We installing these things. Who come down the hallway? Brielle, come down the hallway. Brielle, are you going to help us install the all catch can today?
Of course.
That's what I'm talking about. As you say, Essie got the jumpy eyes going on right here, you know what I'm saying? Do he play inside this thing? I have no idea. Oh, yeah, okay.
You wanna see my shirt?
Huh?
It's got my dad. The cool thing about my dad is basically everything.
We ain't saying no more about that. Bingo. Open the door real quick. Get those right there for me. We are off, boy. We outside right now, boy. Let's go get it.
I got you too, guys.
You got the toolbox?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Okay, so actually we need to. Oh, there's a bug. Hate to see the look on my face in the camera when that was happening. Look at it.
That was a spider.
It's like one of them flying bugs. He like flew on my shirt. Anyway, we gotta move Crush from out the sun, man.
And it's gonna be hot right here.
It's definitely gonna be hot. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set things up for you guys, man, so that you guys can see us install this, man, as a team. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and let's go get it. All right, guys. So what we have here is we have Samaya, who's gonna be helping me out today. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. We got Brielle, who's gonna be helping me out today. Is that right? All right. Let's look underneath the engine and see what we got, because what we're gonna be doing today is swapping this with this.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna be doing. Sorry, y'all. I got a new camera. It is called the G7X. So bear with me. So I'll be as you guys can see, man, I got a new scrub bar back here. There's nothing wrong with the JLT catch can. I just, I'm going with a more nicer look underneath the car so that it can have it a nice finish. Let me see if I turn this around. Yeah, there you go. Ain't nothing wrong with the JLT. It works nice. It probably got some oil in it right now. You know what I'm saying? So I hope my helpers are ready, because I'm ready. I'm ready to get this done. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, man, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna definitely get this done. So let's stand you guys up, man, and let's let you guys see what's happening. Yes.
And see y'all in the next video.
Hold on. We can't get the video off here. We got to get this done first, and then you can say that, okay?
Okay.
All right. We set y'all up. We'll be right back.
Daddy, we need some air.
Yeah, what you talking about, huh? I think it's a 12 millimeter. It's coming out there. My brother has a toolbox. Toolbox. Hold this in your hand, unscrew it, and get the screw out for me. Please, ma'am. Thank you so much. All right, now over the car. You drop that. All right, we're going to use a trusty tool. One of my trusty tools, you know what I'm saying? Easy peasy is 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? All right, so what we're going to do next. Actually, we need to go ahead and take this one off. It does work.
It does?
Yeah.
Oil.
See? That oil in there?
Uh-huh.
That's what I'm talking about. That's that good old rich oil in there, boy. That's that oil that had me smoking people, you know what I'm saying? Man.
Drink it.
Drink it? Ew! Alright, good job, buddy.
Here we go. Wait, I might grip a little.
That's okay.
Daddy!
Just a little. Daddy's okay.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, guys, so we finally got off the old oil catch can. Where it is. There you go. Booyah. And that's the little container down there. So, we had to take off that hose right there. And we had to take the hose that little plastic piece that's inside here, that's right here. Had to take that out right there. Listen, that was a little fight right there, man, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to install the aluminum oil catch can right now. We're going inside that slot right there that we just unplugged this from. So y'all stay tuned, man. We got it going. You know what I'm saying? Me and my partner right here, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 10-4, me and my partner. Let's get it. So what we got now, we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we got that. Some black. Alright everybody, we are back and the car is finished. Yay! It's finished, man. I think it looks lovely. I'm about to show you guys how it turned out. Everybody's out here supporting me today. There we go. Everybody's out there having a blast, running around. SJ is way out there, man, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got my road dog right here, you know what I'm saying? Wait. You know what I'm saying? But we got everybody else out there running around, having a good time. I haven't learned how to work this camera yet to zoom in and zoom out. Let me see. That ain't it. I don't know how to zoom in and zoom out. That's crazy. Oh, wait, this is how you zoom in. Hey! You zoom in, man. Hey! Look at mama. Beautiful woman. Alright, anyways. Here's the finished product, man. What y'all think about it? What y'all think about it? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that boy ain't playing. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Huh? Holy cow? Oh, Dad, you ain't see the other one. Oh my goodness, that look good. Whew. Listen, we got more mods coming, man. This bay is about to be lit. I promise, it's about to be lit. But, in that saying, I want to thank everybody for watching, man. Everybody for watching. Me and Bree about to go downtown. We about to go handle some business. We're going to take y'all along with us. You know what I'm saying? If not, if you want to log off right now, you can log off. But if you're a big dog who stick with yours truly, stick along, because you know what I'm saying? We got more laughs coming, baby. Let's go get it. Alright, everybody, we are in the Durango right now, man. Everybody about to head out. We about to go. Well, it was just me and Bree, but everybody joined the fun. We got Maya, we got Bree, we got Elijah in the back, and we also got SJ, who is on Bree's tablet, who will not give it back. And we also got Bree right here. Hey, beautiful. Hey, baby. Okay, alright, so we are on our way to go to Best Buy because I really need something to transfer my videos from one equipment to the other. You know what I'm saying? But before we go to Best Buy, man, you already know what we like to do. What do you say, Mally?
I'll say it. We like to eat.
You know it. We like to eat, boy. You know what I'm saying? Every time we leave the house, boy, we gotta eat, boy. You know what I'm saying? We gotta eat. Don't worry. The workout is coming later on. You know what I'm saying? Later on. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're gonna see you guys, man. You guys enjoy the ride as we get on our way to Best Buy. Handling business is just what we do. Having a good time. I don't know about now.
We will see y'all in the next video.
Why are you always trying to end the video?
Wait. You just said the same thing Daddy you said.
So let's go ahead. We're gonna get it done. We gotta go get this piece of equipment. We're gonna go get something to eat because we all hungry. Hungry?
Yeah.
I'm definitely hungry. I understand.
Because I was gonna cook today, but
You did see
didn't turn out maybe I'll cook it tomorrow.
That ain't bad.
Yeah, maybe I'll cook it tomorrow. And then y'all gotta rest your pieces of cornbread.
Does anybody know what they want to eat right now?
I do.
What do you want?
Daddy's go first. Let the kids go first, baby.
She didn't know. Alright, so May, what do you want?
I'm gonna get that. Oh, come on, no.
Bro?
I don't know yet. Well, how y'all gonna say I do? I know what I want. I'm gonna get some chicken nuggets.
As long as it's food I want.
Of course you do.
Everybody want Wendy's. Oh, you know what? I think I want Wendy's too then.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? I want a little bit of Wendy's.
Yeah, and Shay can have his own food because I'm not sharing today. Ooh.
Sharon's Karen.
But I don't really care right now. I'm not sharing my food with him. Not today. I shared with him for 9 months.
What's going on, everybody? It is a new day, man. It is a new day. It's a new day. Me and my son outside. You know what I'm saying? We're chilling. What's going on, big dog? Oh, about the home, by you. Hey, SJ. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Anyways, I'm outside, man, because I feel like I didn't really get a good chance to show you guys the motor. Oh, buddy, you okay? God dang, he fell. You alright? Yeah? Okay. Turn all over you. Don't tilt down. I tell you to watch the hole. Alright, you good? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. He fell and messed me up, bro. Oh, it came off. It came off? Okay. It's my beautiful wife, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, you recording?
I am.
Oh, hi.
Of course. Of course, my beautiful wife.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, okay. Alright. Well, I just felt like I didn't get a good chance. Oh, what's going on, man?
Are you recording me?
Oh, really, again? I just felt like I didn't get a good chance to like really show you guys my motor. So I'm gonna go ahead up the hood and show you guys how the motor look, man, after I installed the new catch can and the and I do have the new brace that's underneath the hood as well. So that looks pretty good, man. So let me give you guys a look, because we trying to just clean up things underneath the hood, man. Trying to get things nice. This camera chipping, man. So right now we got this is what we got. Let me show y'all guys. Don't try to be playing around. We got the new catch can with the braided line coming to the back, to the front. Look at that frog over there.
What? Oh my gosh. You want me to get it?
That's crazy, man. How do you zoom in? Wow, look at this joker trying to hide. Wow. What should I say? Wow.
You want to pick it up?
Man, you ain't. I give you $20 if you touch that frog right now.
Can I touch it?
No, if you pick that frog up and just throw it on the ground, just right there. Oh, hey, it's moving.
You said touch it.
Huh?
You
No,
said
you gotta grab
touch
it and move it. You gotta grab it and move it. $20 right now. You ain't got it in you.
It might pee on my hand.
Huh?
It might pee on my hand.
$20 right now just to grab it and throw it on the ground. You wanna throw it on the ground? $20. Let Essie do it for you.
Let Essay do it? Come here, Essay. Essay.
That boy, he's something else. Anyways, man, we do have the new oil catch can underneath here. Looking nice. We got all that right there with the braided lines. Huh?
I bet you one of the kids will do it.
She said she gonna move it.
Yeah. How do I move it?
You gotta grab it. Grab the frog.
Oh, go flick it.
Grab the frog with your hand and then throw it on the ground.
And if I do this?
Huh?
If I do this?
What do you mean if you do this?
Give me $1. $1? I got $1 right now.
I give you 5 if you grab that frog and throw it on the ground.
That really might pee on you. Frogs don't bite. It's slimy though.
You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Pick it up.
5,
Come on, you
4,
got it.
3, 2, 1.
She moved it. Oh no, she didn't.
Your time is up, even though you didn't grab it no
Your
more.
turn, Mally.
Nope.
I do it.
$5.
Did it just pee? Can I do it?
I don't know what happened.
It peed.
Huh? A second chance. I ain't know the frog at.
Right there.
Oh man, he about to go in the crevices of the car. Bro, you messed up, bye.
Hey, you touched it though. Good job.
You want froggy hands back?
I would no. Come here. Stop, bro. Dad, wash your. Go wash your hands.
Yo, this looks nice. Mom, what do you think?
It looks nice, babe.
So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a sandpaper and sand this.
Let me see.
Sand that down so that can look nice and, you know. Hey,
You see? Yeah, sand it down.
sand it down.
And then get some in. That's that right there.
Okay, I see you. Putting on your motor skills.
I mean, you know, you want me to get up under here and do my work. You know what I'm saying? I got you.
All right.
And then do that.
All right, well, so, hey, it's like I said, we got plenty more things coming, man. Plenty more things coming to the channel, man. Plenty more things coming underneath the hood.
Yeah, man.
Lots of, huh?
Hold up, go ahead, Daddy.
We got a lot of things happening, man. So, I just wanted to show you guys that because I felt like you guys really didn't get a good chance to see underneath the hood. So, we want to thank you guys for watching, man. For watching and enjoying the content. And if you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. Get it out there. Y'all already know what's happening, man. Peace. Who's the big guy? Is it you? Is it you? Are you the big guy?